In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Evernote from Insightly CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect so the disconnection is clean and intentional without affecting your notes in Evernote. First, open Insightly in your browser and land on the home page. If you're already signed in, you'll see your dashboard. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that as you normally would. Nothing special is required here. Just get to the Insightly home screen so you can access your account controls. Next, look to the upper right corner of the page for your profile icon. This is typically your avatar or initials. Click that icon to open your personal menu. This menu is your gateway to user-level settings and preferences, which is where the Evernote connection is managed. From that menu, choose User Settings. This section is dedicated to settings tied to your individual account, including connected apps. It's different from organization-wide settings, so even if you're not an admin, you should still have access to these options. Once you're on the User Settings page, give it a moment to load and then scroll if needed to locate the Evernote integration controls. Here, find the option labeled Disconnect from Evernote. Click it. A confirmation message may appear asking you to confirm the change. This is Insightly's way of making sure you intend to remove the connection. Click OK or Confirm to proceed. After this, Insightly will remove its authorization to access your Evernote account. Your Evernote notes and notebooks remain untouched in Evernote. This only stops Insightly from accessing or syncing them. If you previously saw Evernote content or links inside Insightly, those connections will no longer update, and any automatic syncing tied to Evernote will stop going forward. A few quick tips if something looks off. If you don't see the disconnect from Evernote option, it could mean the account wasn't connected in the first place or your page needs a quick refresh. If the option appears grayed out, you might not have the necessary permissions in Insightly, so you may need help from your account administrator. Also, double check that you're working in the correct Insightly account if you have access to more than one. That's it. You've successfully disconnected Evernote from Insightly CRM. If you ever decide to reconnect in the future, you can return to your user settings and follow Insightly's prompts to link Evernote again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your workspace organized and under control.